My name is Nate McCullough on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to reinstall your vehicle's strut after servicing. Got our 3 studs here. Those are going to correspond up there in the top. Take in, slide our strut inside there.